right? Yeah, the focus will be on beans, but ideally, at the end of the day, you should be able to can any food product with the knowledge that you're going to get. Now, beyond that, we are also going to look at safety, and I believe that is part of tomorrow. We'll do a bit of documentation. We'll look at how you prepare standard operating procedures. We're going to look at food safety systems that are available for processors like you, people that are in the food value chain, food safety standards that you can apply, general requirements for quality and safety in the food industry. So we are going to cover ASAP, we are going to cover, we'll start with the basics, the good manufacturing practices. For those of you who are in the production, we'll be talking about, you may talk about good agricultural practices, all right? And so forth and so on. So we're going to cover that, and I believe that is going to be useful for you. Sorry, you got knocked out. Yeah. So yeah. So and then later we are also going to look at product development, all right? And under product development, we are going to cover functional food products, just to excite your mind into what else you can do, because you've already done quite a bit of work. All right. So I'd like for us to do a bit of documentation for the sessions that we'll do tomorrow. So yeah, and that will be part of the documentation aspects of development of standard operating procedures. And I also want you to gather a bit of knowledge in documenting food safety systems. And specifically, I want you to be able to develop what we call a HACCP plan. All right. So at the end of this session, I believe you're going to get something to take back to your SMEs for improvement. So we start with an overview of conventional and novel food processing methods. I heard that the diversity is wide here. There are people that are in the production areas. There are people that are now in processing. There are people that are in production and processing at the same time, which is good. So, bottom line, you are all in the food industry, right? And we know the food industry cuts across from production, bits of what you do